Chapter 3. Birds. Lesson 9. Bird beaks.
Key words: beak, shape, seed, hook, sharp, pointed.
Bird beaks. Birds eat with their beaks. Each bird's beak shape is good for eating different kinds of food. Sparrows eat lots of seeds. They have short, thick beaks. They open the hard seed shells with their beaks. Then they eat the seeds inside. Eagles eat animals like rats and rabbits. Their beaks look like hooks. They are very sharp and powerful. Eagles can eat meat easily with these beaks. Herons love to eat fish. They use their long, pointed beaks to catch them. Hummingbirds like to drink flower nectar. Their beaks are very long and thin. Hummingbirds can easily put them inside flowers. Bird beaks are useful. Let's find other beak shapes at the zoo.
Lesson 10. Saving the Kakapos. Key words: hunt, bring, save, dangerous, nest, feed. Saving the Kakapos. Kakapos are special birds in New Zealand. But not long ago, they were in danger. In the past, people hunted kakapos. Then, people from Europe brought cats and rats to New Zealand. These animals also hunted kakapos. In 1977, only 18 kakapos were left in New Zealand. A group of people wanted to save the kakapos. They moved all the kakapos to small islands. These islands didn't have any dangerous animals. These people also watched the nests when the kakapo mothers left for food. They fed the kakapo babies and kept them warm. They saved lots of kakapos. Thanks to these people, there were 128 kakapos in May 2014. Soon there will be even more.
Lesson 11. Birds in the Carnival of the Animals.
Key words: hen, rooster, grain, cuckoo, woods, imagine.
Birds in the Carnival of the Animals. Birds make beautiful sounds. Camille Saint-Saëns, a French composer, liked birds. He wrote The Carnival of the Animals in 1886. It has pretty songs about birds. One of the songs is Hens and Roosters. In this song, violins and pianos are played fast and loud. When you listen to them, you can hear chickens eating grain. The cuckoo in the woods is quiet and peaceful. You can imagine taking a walk in the woods. A clarinet makes a cuckoo's sound while you walk. In The Swan, a cello makes a slow, smooth sound. It sounds like a swan swimming on a lake. It is beautiful. Now go listen to the birds outside. Can you hear any of Saint-Saëns' songs?
Lesson 12. The Greedy Old Woman. Key words: greedy, tired, bake, loaf, yell, woodpecker. The Greedy Old Woman. There once was a greedy old woman. One night, a tired, hungry man came to her house. He asked for bread. The old woman baked a small loaf of bread. However, it looked too big to give to the man. She made a smaller loaf instead. That one also looked too big. She didn't want to give the man any bread. Then the man got angry. He yelled at the woman,
"You are very greedy. From now on, you will be a woodpecker. You will have to work very hard for your food."
He used magic. She became a bird and flew away. Next time you see a woodpecker, think of the greedy old woman.